my parents are fine with it. My mom's here, I'm sure she's thrilled. And I know my dad is because, all right, for my 16th birthday, my father bought me 5 turtlenecks from the Gap. I wish I was kidding, and also, sorry, Dad. But you do what you gotta do, you know what I mean, to get the cops. But despite that, my dad has been an amazing father, and he's one of my closest friends. I talk to him all the time. And one of the things that he's instilled in me is a love of really great music. I remember being like 3 years old, and in our living room we had these giant speakers from the 1980s with wood paneling on the side. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Woo! Oh yeah! And my dad would always play his favorite music. He would always be playing the Beatles, or Carole King, Carly Simon, John Denver, James Taylor, Elton John, and to this day, that music still resonates with me, not just because the artists are amazing, but because of the memories I associate with their songs. And so this next song has always been a favorite of mine, and I'm gonna sing this for my dad. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. Whoa, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time, yeah, now. Thought I'd see you one more time, yeah. There's just a few things coming our way this time around. But I always thought that I'd see you again.